Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to activate your licenses of plugins from WPBay and how to manage them. So for this I have my account here and I purchased one product. It is called Threads-O-Matic Threads Auto Poster, and here I can download the zip file which I can install to my WordPress site, download documentation if it has a downloadable documentation, or view the documentation URL from the seller's website. I can copy the purchase code which I will be needing for activating my product if the product has the WPBay SDK incorporated into it. If not, you will be able to use the product out of the box, and this will be used, this button, to get support. Okay, so now let me go to my website where I installed the Threads-O-Matic plugin. I downloaded the zip from here, installed it. I already done this, and I now need to activate the plugin to use it. So for this I will need to copy my purchase code from here and go to activate license tab from here and insert your purchase code into the input field from here and click register. So after you've done this, your purchase code was registered and you will be able to use the plugin. Once you registered your purchase code, click on License Manager, and the website where you activated and registration time and also product name will appear here. You will be able to revoke your license, to move it to another site if you wish, but keep in mind in this case this website will be the plugin from this website will be deactivated. Also, if this product has a recurring payment, then you will be able to see also the subscription tab where the recurring payments will be listed. You will be able to manage and cancel if you don't need the recurring license anymore, or you will be able to continue using your license here. Also, what is very important is that support is offered for products based on seller options. So some products have support, some products don't have support provided. This depends on the seller. If the product which you purchase has support, you will be able to contact the seller using this button, for example, or by email or by their direct support system. So fill out details here as detailed as possible to allow the seller to understand the issue that you are facing and to help you in the easiest way possible. Okay, so this is licensing and support for products purchased on WPBay. This is end of this video. Thank you for watching.